I swear to God.
Check that Allah, I swear to God. You already know the vibe. Come on, we outside.
Alright you guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Corey Wright. It's my 2015 Honda Civic SI. It's the coupe model, FG4. I've owned the car for about almost 8 years, so it's took me a while to get to this point. This is the last generation of the Civic where they put the K24 in the engine bay. The last real Civic, bro. It really is the last real Civic if you think about it. K24 Z7 comes in this car, but this is a Z3 out of a 2011 TSX. The motor blew up about almost 2 years ago at this point. Got a Z3 from the junkyard, threw it in. We got the Sidewinder manifold on the K24 Z3 head with a 60mm wastegate back there, so it's real tight, but you can probably see it a little bit. I still don't have wheels yet. That's something I'm looking to do soon. About 3 years ago, I started off with a PRL Stage 2 turbo kit, threw it on the car, made around 500 plus to the wheels, and the stock motor blew up. Now we've gone and we've rebuilt the whole motor. We refreshed the whole K24 Z3. From the bottom up, we did the Type S oil pump, oil squirted delete, Manly Turbo Tough I-beam rods, Wiseco pistons. Huge shout out to Wiseco, the sponsorship. Those pistons seen a lot of heat. If you know, you know. I believe it's an 11:1 compression ratio, same as stock. In the head, we went with Ferrer Race Series valves, all new valves, guides, seals, SuperTech 80-pound valve springs batteries and retainer kit, stock cams. I had to switch to my GoPro real quick, my fault. But yeah, basically the head is fully built. This whole motor is just built to handle 600 plus reliably. As you can see, we got the hybrid fuel rail. Huge shout out Hybrid, they're a big sponsor on the channel. Use code COREYW to save on some parts at stepoutshop.co. We got a full fuel return system on the car. We got the center feed for the feed line right here, nice and tucked. Level 7 performance catch can, quick vent. We got the quick vent going over to the catch can in the corner over here. The car has an oil pressure regulator right behind the valve cover right here. You probably can't even really see it, but it's there. It's to limit the oil pressure to 40 psi that's going to the turbo feed, so the car doesn't burn oil or smoke out the exhaust. You never want your turbo getting more oil than it needs or less oil than it needs, so that's what the regulator is for. We got Gear X first and second, and BF gears third and fourth. Everything else is stock in the transmission. I forgot to mention that the clutch kit we're running is an Action Clutch Ironman clutch kit. And for the exhaust, we have a 3-inch catless downpipe made by Workhorse Welding. He also did the up pipe for the wastegate. It's also about 3 inches. It's a 60mm wastegate with the teardrop exit. Precision Works headlights, as you can see. We got the Precision Works retrofitted headlights, full 9 yards on those, fully custom. We have a Pulsar 3584. Plan is to get this car set up on the dyno with the EBC I have. We also got that wired up, so on wastegate, the car is making about 10 pounds, around 400 to the wheels. It's something safe and reliable for the car right now that I can just enjoy and drive and not have to really worry about pushing it too much or blowing the motor right now. At least it'll be a lot safer than 600 plus. We also have Alpha Injection Clinic 2200cc injectors with the Walbro 525 fuel pump. We have a Vibrant vacuum box right there just to run all the vacuum hoses from, just to make everything look a lot cleaner. All the lines are tucked, headlight lines tucked, headlight wires tucked. Let me show you how the boost controller. It's like a Batmobile for real, I'm not even gonna lie to you. It's hot as hell though. It's not fully gutted, but we have no back seats right now. Just riding around my E85 can. This car is on full E85 right now. We have the battery relocation. Got the battery back there. Because AFRs are a little wacky right now. I gotta tell Derp to add a little bit more fuel. I'm supposed to be fixing the fuel pressure regulator and the fuel pump and getting retuned, so we'll see how the car acts after I do all that. But as you can see, the AFR was at like 12 at full throttle, and that's not good. It's supposed to be like low 11s. Anything under 12 I send it, but anything over 12 I kind of just back off the throttle. I don't need no bad things happening, bro. You can see the car sound good, bro. I just got back home real quick, but look what else we got, y'all. We got some pink wrap samples. We got the pink to match the turbo. Let's see how well it matches the turbo real quick. It's a little bit lighter, but it's damn near identical. So we got the brand new SI emblem, and we got a brand new Honda emblem. I'm gonna wrap one of them gloss black, and one of them gonna be pink. So leave down in the comments what you think I'm finna do, what you think would look better. Y'all hear that, but that's the downpipe rubbing on the subframe, bro. That shit is so fucking annoying. It only happens at like certain RPM, so it's not that bad, but it's still annoying. Pulling up the blackout window tints. get the emblems wrapped and thrown on the car, so should be good. Gonna head in the shop right now. I'm gonna turn off the camera though. Blackout window tint, hooked it up, man. They treat your boy like family, man. They treat your boy like family. That's why I always go there. No cap. You need window tints, wrap, anything of that nature. Removing tints, headlight restoration. Go there, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They on Dongan Ave and Old Dixie Highway. They're right there. Facts. 2015. I'll show you right now.
No, you have to.
I just want to show you real quick.
Oh my God, now you want me to want. Oh.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I put an envelope in your hand. How much cash do I have to put in it?
30,000 at least.
What?
30,000.
What year is it?
2015.
They gon' recognize now that I'm blasting. I done drop a couple